In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up my Trainerize site. First, log into the web version of Trainerize, click your profile icon in the top right, select Settings, then open Business Settings. This is the home for everything related to your site setup. I recommend using a desktop browser and keeping any password managers handy so you can move through forms quickly. Next, open Business Info. Fill in your business name and a short, benefit-focused business description, plus your primary email, optional phone number, and time zone. Choose an email you check daily since client notifications and receipts will go there. Remember, this information appears on your public site and in client communications. Head to Branding. Upload your logo, icon, and a cover image or header banner. Use high-resolution files, keep backgrounds clean, and make sure your logo looks good on both light and dark backgrounds. Set your brand colors, choosing a strong primary color for buttons and an accent for highlights. Aim for good contrast so text is easy to read on mobile. These changes immediately update your site and the client app. Now customize your Trainerize website. Open Site and Links, then Trainerize Site or Sign Up page. Edit the headline, description, intro text, call to action, and images. Keep the headline clear and outcome driven, and use an action-oriented CTA like Get Started Today. Pick imagery that reflects your audience and your coaching style. This becomes your public landing page, so keep it concise and skimmable. Add your products, go to Payments, then Products, and click Create Product. Choose the type: program, coaching service, membership, challenge, or a one-time plan. Then add the title, description, price, billing frequency, and exactly what the client receives. Spell out deliverables like check-ins, messaging access, and start dates so there are no surprises. Publish when you're ready. Your site cannot go live without at least one product. Enhance your profile by opening My Account, then the About or Bio section. Add a professional photo, a concise coach bio, and key qualifications. Write in the first person to build trust. Connect payments by going to Payments, then Setup. Choose a processor such as Stripe or PayPal where available. Link your bank account and complete any verification prompts so clients can purchase without issues. Turn on your site and links by toggling Enable Trainerize Site to On. Preview on desktop and mobile, run through the checkout flow, and copy your site URL. Finally, paste that URL into your Instagram bio, Facebook page buttons, link in bio tools, your website, and your TikTok bio. That's how clients reach your offers. You're ready to launch.